There is a right and wrong way how to write ChatGPT-based reports for university. Some might say this is illegal, but let me show you. First, the dummy way. Well, it's actually not absolutely dummy way because I have a reasonable prompt, like write a report highlighting the benefits of smartphone usage in middle schools. But still dummy. Just drop in generating report. So let's evaluate what we got. Lot of text, useless text, no numbers, no facts. Real bad report. Let's do level 2. Still dummy way, but you need to invest a little bit of money. So there is one poor company called OpenAI. You pay them $20, press this blue button which appears, which gives you the search results. Write a report highlighting benefits using smartphone usage using search results. Let's do that. Let's examine what we got. So no facts, no numbers, so we don't use this crap. Let's improve step number 3. Let's ask ChatGPT to add the facts and numbers and psychology reports published later than 2020. Okay, so we're getting somewhere. We are finally getting first number and first results, but still no control over it. I would give bad marking to this. No, there is nothing there. Let me show you how to do this in the right way. Let's stop being dummy. Let's do something genius. Let's go to the Semantic Scholar. So this is a scientific paper database. I type in some keywords, middle school, smartphone, learning, which should be something positive there. Let's look for something there. Developments of application of teaching, learning materials, blah, blah, blah. Effect of using smartphone application on middle school students for English learning and satisfaction. I will take this one. Then what do? I take the original source. Oh, this is in Chinese. Excellent. ChatGPT knows Chinese as well. So I go here, start a new ChatGPT session. This is what I call data extraction phase. You drop in PDF, you gather data. List the positive effects of using smartphone with facts and numbers. Let's do more. How smartphones were used in experiment. By the way, this is the way how I'm evaluating my reports for students, by extracting pieces of information and not reading hundreds of pages. And let's do the last one. How large of the groups of students were in the experiments. Oh, the super AI added emojis even in the content. That's great. I don't need emojis. So, okay. So I have raw stuff here. What I do, I select all of this stuff. I even don't care much about it at the moment. I start a new session. Here is where the magic happens. The prompt will be write one paragraph with facts and numbers based on text below in academic language. Then you copy your junk with, actually this is high quality junk with numbers and facts from actual source. Then I press generate. Oh, emojis as well. Great. Hopefully academic language will not include emojis. Yeah, so it did what I want. So really high quality paragraph. See, like study conducted with 139 Korean middle school students. The demonstrated substantial increase in test scores from 35 to 51, and lots of other great examples how to use smartphones to improve the learning. So what I do next, I copy this inside my report and I add citation. So you can go here, pick it up like that, and then drop it in like this. And then you rinse and repeat to have your great report. So don't be dummy. do it in proper way.